If you are listening to me, another governor have emerged in the Southeast. If you are a Southeastern person, if you are an Igbo man or a Biafra man who are the Southeasterners, we have many states in the Southeast, which is Biafra land. There is nothing that will remove that name from the Southeast. They are Biafrans. No matter what anybody will say, no matter secession that you say people cause, that is Biafra. Biafra is the southeastern part of Nigeria. They are Biafrans. If you are a Biafran person, keep sharing. Do you see how the authority have gone out of the governors? That new governors have emerged. And these new governors are the people who are making laws in the Southeast. It is only one state that I see that the law is being made and gave him to supervise. Southeast has no power. Southeast governors have no power over the affairs of government affairs. The president, the Southeast governor is Simon Ekpa. And I don't know what I would say is a president. The president now is in the jail. He is the president. The president is in the jail, and the governor is with Finnish government. We don't have governors in Southeast. Truly, it's only in one state, Abia state is where we have governor. But in other states, we don't have governors. What am I saying? I don't say that there is no physical governor. There are physical governors in the states. But we don't have any governor that has authority over the states. Look at what happened recently. If you are going to doubt me that we have governors, now let me prove you wrong. Do you know during Biafra Heroes Day remembrance, another was passed that nobody should come outside. Absolutely, the sitting governors, which are like, I don't know what I would say, they are like status that doesn't move, issue the statements, call army, call police, and put everywhere. But an order was given, one order was given, that nobody should come outside. What happened? Everywhere became empty. He defiled every order in the Southeast. Simon Ekpa is the governor of all Southeast. If you want, believe it. If you don't want, don't believe it. Because governors are the people that will give order and the order will obey. They said nobody should stay at home. Everybody should go his normal duty. And the order came and said nobody should leave the house. Nobody should be seen outside. And nobody was seen outside. Who is the person in control? It is Simon Ekpa. So Simon Ekpa now is the governor of the Southeast. All the Southeast governors, they are just there for nothing. The people don't believe in them. It's only Aba governor that people can trust a little. That is Abia State governor. Have it at the back of your mind. Simon Ekpa in the Finnish government. He is there finishing the Southeast, giving the order in Southeast. He is the governor of the Southeast. If you say what I am saying is not true, we have governors, but there are governors who has no power, who has no say. Let me tell you, they say sit at home every Monday. And the governors of the Southeast, the ones that are sitting there, said nobody should sit at home. Even the people that is working with them in the government house obeyed the order and sat at home. Now, who is the governor? Please, I want you to give me this in the comment section. Who is the governor of the Southeast? Is it Simon Ekpa that will issue order and they follow it? Or is it the governors of the Southeast that will issue an order and nobody will listen to them? Who is the governor? To me, it's my personal opinion. Simon Ekpa is the governor of the Southeast. Take it or leave it. Because he is the man with the pipe and he is the one dictating the tune. So, we have no Southeast governors now. We only have robots in the house, in the Eastern governor's house. Robot that doesn't give order and it will obey. Then people have lost confidence. My name is Ambassador Singo Edwin, your prophet in disguise. I am the man that said I will not stop crying until things are done right. If you like it as a governor, do what is right. If you don't like it, continue doing what you are doing. But know it that Simon Ekpa is the person issuing order in the Southeast. And them going to finish to go and bring him back will not be possible. It is not going to be possible. If you bring him back, you can't even bring him back. If you bring him back, you are causing another problem. So the only thing is to do referendum. Go to the states, the eastern states, go to Biafran states and give referendum. If the people who want to stay in Nigeria is greater than the number who doesn't want to stay in Nigeria, then everybody will stay in Nigeria. But if the people who want to secede from Nigeria is greater than the number of people who want to stay in Nigeria, then leave Biafra to go. That is all. Nothing else. I will say the truth. I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. If I lie to you, it will heavy my hand. I'm a prophet. I cannot lie. God bless you.